everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today we're going to be making a treat box because everyone needs a good treat every now and then. And is it just cute or what? Okay, so I was given some Lindt Lindor Chockies for my birthday and I was like, ooh, I should try and make a treat box out of those. And then I picked out the hazelnut ones and I've gone, they so remind me of cinnamon cider. Like, apart from being bronze, I was like, I need to make a treat box in cinnamon cider just purposely for these ones. So today that's what we're going to do. We are going to put away this cute little pansy patch one and we're going to do one in cinnamon cider just for those treats. So here we go. And I thought this DSP, because it's so pretty in the hand penned. Whoops. The pen design series people. Gorgeous. Okay, pop those aside for now. So let's bring in the trusty trimmer and our cinnamon cider piece. So it is cut at 21.5 centimeters this way and 15 centimeters this way. We're going to pop that in the 16 centimeter side and we will score at 3.5, 7, 10.5. So we're going up by 3.5 here and at 14. Okay, turning it over this way, we are going to score on the 21.5 centimeter side. We're going to score at 2 centimeters, which I'm actually doing on this side just because I don't have as much paper hanging out. 2 centimeters and at 5.5 centimeters. So again, that's our 3.5 magic number for the box. Now I'm going to come over here and do the 2 centimeters on this end. So I'm just doing 2 and 5.5 on each side. Okay, popping our trimmer away. I might just do a little bit of scoring. So get this ready and prep. So score all our edges. Pick our right side here. And 14. And 2. And 5.5. And the other 5.5. And the other 2. So that gives it a head start on that. Open it back out. Now I'll bring in this one to show you what I'm planning to do here. So the second one in, not from our little side, okay, from the normal. So first of all, let's cut from here to here on every side bit. 1, 2, 3. Don't do that. So our second one in is what we're going to use as our closing bit, I guess you could say. I'm just going to take a tiny little bit off of those sides there. Okay, now these 2 are going to be the flappy ends. We're going to cut a little bit more than just normal, where we've actually pre-scored. Okay. And then this one here is actually going to be all chopped off. Ha 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 ha, all of it. Gonski. Might make that a bit fun. And I will chop in that edge. Now I'll just make these 2 here just chopped in so that the box box folds a bit. Oh, took a chunk out of it, Miss Jane. And this one. And this one. Move all our bits out the road. So we want to do the same on the other end. So we'll chop from here to here. And whoop. Here to here. Here to here. So our second one in on this side is going to be our full, our closing bit. So we'll just take a little bit off the 2 centimeter side. This one and this one is going to have a little bit more than where we scored, because they will fold in. And this bit, it's all going off. Say goodbye. See you later. So long. Ooh, haven't cut in there enough. Okay, and another little bit on the edge. Well, this should be our little box. So you're going to go dum, 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 close and close like that. Ho ho! Now I think it's time to decorate before we go any further. So we'll bring in our designer series paper pieces. On this flap, on this outer part, that's where we're going to pop our tape. Okay, on the 1 centimeter flap, that's where it's going to be closed at. Okay, so if we turn it over, fold it down, take it off, we should be able to just fold this one over and it should line up beautifully. Just like that. Ho ho! So we can fold in one end. I didn't cut those edges off, did I? Ah ha ha! Now see what happens. See, if I fold these ones in, they fold in much neater. Aha! So, good pointer there to show you that. These ones don't close as nicely. So we take off a little triangle-y piece, triangle-y, tangly, bangly, wiggly piece, and that way we'll be able to close it much better. And you know what we need to do now? We need to say goodbye treats. I'm going in my box now. Woo-hoo. So don't they match nicely? So pretty, matchy matchy. Now look. Look at that. Folded so much better. And now we've got a cute little box. But I think we should decorate it with, let's see. We got a Just For You tag. Now the tag has come from the Hydrangea dies. Okay. It's been stamped in cinnamon cider. And the Just For You has come from the Sweet Strawberry stamp set. Okay. And I'm going to use here the soft Succulent open weave ribbon. It's actually not one of the colours in this designer series paper, but I thought it went quite nicely with it. So you never know. Let's get lots of ribbon happening here. So first of all, we will tie a little knot. Let's hope we got enough. We might need some more, but let's hope. And then we want to put our string for our tag around this ribbon and just let him fall down, and we'll fix him later. And then tie a bow over and round. And I really don't think I got enough, but we'll go with a flow. It's not going to be a very big one. We might chop it off a bit longer and we'll play with it later. But for now, we'll just seal that and we'll bring up our little just for you. And there is our cute little treat box. Now I'll bring in the other one I made so you can see the difference in the colours. Look, are they just the cutest, prettiest little boxes of yummies? How cute. I do love a good treat and giving away a good treat. So cute. Hope you like these and I hope you give them a try. Not too tricky, and don't forget to cut those little side bits because like you saw, it didn't want to close nicely, did it? Okay, until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.